So here we are with another festive painting, and it's this lovely little snow scene quite near where I live actually, Peak Rail, which is one of these old railway lines that the steam enthusiasts keep running. And it's got this old signal box here, and the photograph I took, obviously it's in winter, but it's not snowed. So, and I really thought this will be lovely with snow on the ground, but it didn't happen last year. We hardly had any snow at all. So I've used a little bit of imagination and turned it into a snow scene, which was great fun. I have to say, I really enjoyed doing that. So I think you will as well. I think you're going to have some real fun with this one. So happy painting.